In this video, we will talk about some tips and tricks to crack the exam easily. You must read newspapers, magazines, etc. to keep yourself updated with current affairs and to increase your vocabulary. This will help you score in English language and general awareness section. Quantitative aptitude is the easiest and the most scoring section. One must practice questions on topics like simplification, quadratic equation, data interpretation, profit and loss, etc. Practice is the only key to achieve success in this section. Reasoning is the trickiest section. One must focus on topics like syllogisms, seating arrangements, blood relations, coding, decoding, etc. and practice various types of questions related to it. You must refer to previous year questions and practice as many mock tests as you can to increase your efficiency in the exam. For mock tests, I would recommend you to take prep tests from Youth for Work, or you can use their app Prep Guru to practice. I have provided the links in the description below. So, if you value the content of our video, please like, share and comment on our channel.